Hey, I'm Shane. Today I'm going to be making something a little bit different than usual in my self-isolation here, and I'm going to be making some Dalgona coffee. This is a really popular little drink that people are making at home. I think mainly because A, it's super pretty, and B, it's super duper easy to make. All you need is 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. I'm using the decaf roast here. And I'm also using 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of water. It's that easy. You can also use it by weight, and if you're going to do it by weight, it's 6 grams of coffee, it's 20 grams of sugar, and also 20 grams of water. And all you do is you throw that in a cup, you whisk it for a really long time, and it makes a foam, and then you pour it on top of some milk with ice cubes in it if you want, and it turns into this very pretty drink. And that's basically it. So let's get into making it. The first thing you want to do is add the coffee. So I'm going to add 6 grams of coffee, or 2 tablespoons. Okay, there we go. We have a little more than 6 grams there. I'll take a bit out. Okay, perfect. So we got 6 grams of coffee, and then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar, or 20 grams. There you go. And then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of water. This isn't heated up at all. It's just from the kettle because it's the easiest place to get it from. So I'm going to add 20 grams of water. Okay, perfect. So now it's time for the hard part, and that is to whisk it. So I'm going to get started. So I have my milk here with a bit of ice cubes in it, just to keep it nice and cool. And the last step is to gently spoon on top the whisked coffee. So let's give it a go. So the first time I tried this, I did not spoon it on top and I poured it in. And I learned the hard way that if you add too much velocity, it will mix in right away. And that would not achieve the look we're going for. So this is the best way to get it added to the coffee. It looks like there's still some unmixed stuff. Okay, there we go. Let's see how that looks. So that's it. It's super easy to make. I don't recommend you having it straight without mixing it. If you have a sip of it, it's very, very sweet. It tastes fantastic, but it's like having candy. And usually I have my coffee black or just not sweetened in any way. Oh yeah, I can do it. I recommend you mix it up with a spoon and get kind of the milk integrated with it to help kind of, I don't know, take away a lot of that really dense sugary taste. If I don't spill. And you get something a whole heck of a lot more palatable. But I certainly could see myself making this again if I have instant coffee, because I almost never use instant coffee. I use espresso because I can. So yeah, it's very fun and certainly not the quickest thing to make, but incredibly easy. Thanks for watching the video though, and I hope you have an awesome day and are staying safe. See ya.